Hi dear friends, how are you? Today I'm going to talk about digital products. How to sell digital products on digital platforms like Etsy, Amazon, eBay or Shopify. Let's suppose you are going to sell sources, templates or the ebooks on these aforesaid digital platforms. This is a wonderful idea for you people because of a large number of people have been shifted from physical to online. For example, a large number of people around about 5 to 10 years back, maximum there were newspaper readers, book readers in the society, but nowadays a large number of people have been shifted from physical to online. For example, they pay attention towards the e-books like e-novels, e-stories. You can sell e-books on these aforesaid platforms, and you can sell your templates on different topics, different titles, different categories, and you can source everything which is belongs to digital on these digital platforms. Thank you.